We are back from Heinen's and it's time to make these tasty tacos. We're going to take some avocado oil and add it to a cast iron skillet over high heat. Next, what we're going to do is add in our ground beef. We're just going to break this up until it's into smaller bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to add in some spices, some garlic, a little bit of onion, chili powder, cumin, season it up with salt and pepper. Then we're going to continue to cook it and stir it until it is mixed together and completely cooked through. Now to plate up our tacos, I'm going to start with a soft-shelled taco. I'm going to add on some of our ground beef, some shredded green leaf lettuce, some of Heinen's 4-cheese Mexican blend. Then I'm going to top off with that Heinen's mild pico de gallo. How about a different one just for fun? Why not a crunchy taco? I'm going to load this up with some of that ground beef and then just simply cheese and Heinen's guacamole, which is so good. Add it on there and boom, a simple taco. The beautiful thing about these tacos are they are completely customizable to your liking. But one thing I'm definitely going to serve up is this con queso dip. Heat it up and it's great to serve up with Heinen's blue corn tortilla chips. And if you want to take it next level, dip your tacos into that hot con queso dip. So easy to make, so tasty, but of course, let's get the verdict. Always a favorite.